guys, it's Lem here again, your tech guide, and today's video I will be showing you guys how to install that ECG and the blood pressure on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. So the first thing you want to do or know is what type of version of Watch 3 you purchase. Okay, so on my left here, this is the Canada or Canadian version that I bought from the Samsung store, whereas this one I bought on the Amazon.ca, but for some reason the one that they sent me was a North America version. The way to tell it is prior to setting these watches up. This one here, it shows you, it's asking you what country and also what region, whereas for the Canada version it didn't ask me those. So you know, from there, if you know that you have the North America Watch 3, this procedure will work for you. But out of curiosity, you could always try. If you still have the other version, you never know, it might work. All right, so what I want to do first is I want to delete the app so that we could start from scratch, so that I could guide you through how to get it. So basically, this is the app that we are trying to download right there. I'm gonna delete that and we're gonna start from scratch. All right. Okay, so this should be gone. Okay, so what you want to do first is I will put the link on the description below, down below, so that you could download the application that we need to install. So this is the link right here. So I just want to say thank you to TechnoProz for having this app for us to download. Thank you so much. So all you have to do is just basically click that, and there should be two applications that you need to download. So you want to download this one first. Press download. And just follow what the direction says. Just download. Very, very simple, guys. All right. And then go scroll down, click on that, and it says install. Install it. Okay, so that's done. Now let's download the other one here. Download. So it's asking you that Google Drive can't scan this file for virus. All right, so it's giving you a little bit of warning there. It's too large for Google to scan for viruses. Would you still like to download this file? Just download it. Download. And just slide down and install. So there's your Samsung Health Monitor. So the first one that we downloaded was the ECG. Now we've got the Samsung Health Monitor. Install it. And then done. All right. So now we could just go find it here. And it's right there, guys. All right. Boom. And right there. Connected to watch found. Okay. Just allow all permission. Done. Then just fill up all your whatever there. Information. Just yes. I'll just do one right now. Quick one. And then accept. Swipe to start up. Calibrate watch. So this one here for the blood pressure, we want to calibrate it. So you need a blood pressure machine Okay, and I'm gonna grab my watch 3 here. This is the 45mm, and to calibrate it, you want your watch on your wrist, and the other side of your arm, you want to put the blood pressure machine like so, and then calibrate it. All right, so it says watch. If you want to know more information about it, just click, and it tells you what to do. All right, so as you can see there's a video. Just follow the direction. It's pretty simple, guys. Okay, so I'll do a quick one here because I think they're going to be asking you 3 times. Make sure the watch is snug on your wrist. All right, and then we could go for the next one. Okay, next, start your blood pressure machine. All right, I'm gonna crouch down here, guys, so it's a little bit easier. All right, I hope you guys can see me here. And we're gonna start now. Boom. Okay, next. Next. Okay, so it's asking me, I don't know if you guys could see that, to enter the reading blood pressure monitor on the phone. Okay, so here we go. Yes, enter now. So the systolic is 109 and our diastolic is 70. Then you just press done and confirm. So it's gonna probably ask another one, so it has to be done 3 times. Okay. Okay, so you want to enter what you got. So systolic is 107 over 66. Okay, it's probably gonna ask us one more time here, guys. So it does. Okay, next. All right, so we'll proceed one more time here. Okay, so 106/69. Let's put that in. 106/69. Press done. Confirm. And it is fully calibrated, guys. So that's pretty much it for the blood pressure. And the ECG is pretty much done, guys. You didn't have to do anything about it. No calibration is needed. So I'm just gonna remove this, and we could even do the ECG here. We could check it out. So you got all those result, sinus rhythm, atrial fibrillation. If you get the notification on either one of these, those are the meanings for it. All right. So on which wrist do you wear your Samsung watch? You say left. Okay, and then just tells you the instruction on how to do it. And you have a full record here. So I could do one sample for you guys. Okay, we'll go. So for the ECG, you've got it there already. And you just have to pretty much press the record. Okay, follow the direction. And it tells you where to place your finger. All right, so you don't have to press it, you just have to tap it, guys. So inconclusive, it was not able to read because of the way I'm sitting or standing, I mean, and the way I'm positioned. It wasn't properly set up done. But anyways, you guys have an idea, you just place it there and it'll give you the readings and information, and also it will show it on your app and everything, and then you can view your history. And for the oxygen, blood oxygen, it should be in your app already. Let me see if I could access my health app. It should be there already. Just give me a second here, guys. So this video will be a little bit longer. So you got your blood oxygen. Hold on, how do I access it? Let me try. Oh, it's this one here. For the Canada version of the Watch 3, I can view or see the app of the blood oxygen, but for some reason, whenever I try to move it or move the widget to activate it, for some reason it does not work. So I don't know what's going on with the Canada version, but it's just pain in the ass to deal with. You know, you have the app there already, but it's not working. So anyways, I'll show you guys how to get your blood oxygen. It should be located in your widgets. Oh, hold on. Oh shoot, it kicked me out, guys. Okay, anyways, I'll show you guys the 41mm here. This is the Canada version. I hope it will connect. Okay, so great example right here, widget, and you've got your oxygen. Where is that? Blood oxygen right here. Okay, so I put it up there for the widget to use. Save. And it should show on the widget now since I moved it up there. And for some reason, it goes back down here again, where add widgets is. So it's kind of weird, guys. You know, you have the app there, but it still does not work. See? Anyways, let me turn this off so it doesn't detect on my phone, and we'll focus on the 45mm Watch 3. All right, let me just connect again. T 45. And I'll show you guys how to get your blood oxygen. Pretty much the same procedure. You just go to the add widgets, move it up, and you pretty much have it. So how's our time going along here? Okay, it's gonna be a little bit longer video than usual, but I hope this video will help you guys out. So again, go to widgets. All right, and it looks like I already did add the blood oxygen there. So it's usually it should be down here, and I just pretty much drag it all the way up there so that it's easy for me to access. All right, so once you've got that, and you just go to your Samsung or navigate your app around your menu system here, and there is your oxygen saturation right there. All right, so this one you have to sit still and make sure that you are quiet to do this test. Okay, so there you go. So you really need to follow the instruction, make sure your elbow's on the table and so on. But anyways, go check out my other video. I did an accuracy video test on these application, ECG, blood pressure, and blood oxygen. Go check it out. It is pretty accurate, guys. But anyways, that's pretty much it. Check out your watch 3 version, and see if it is the North America one. The one where you set it up in the beginning, where it's asking what country you live in, what region. If you have that, it should work. If you don't have that, then more likely it's not gonna work, guys. You just have to wait for the firmware from the Samsung. And if you're curious about it, why not just give it a try? It's not gonna harm your phone. All you can do is, if it doesn't work, just delete it. So that's pretty much it, guys. Once again, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.